lovely friends and lovely family out there. If you follow my platform for a while now, um, I talk about this player, Brobbey. Uh, for some time ago, Ghana was casing um, this youngster, Ghanaian born in Holland, to play for Ghana, but fortunately, Ghana couldn't able to get him. Sorry, guys. Big up to everyone, lovely family and lovely friends out there. If you follow my platform for a while now, I talk about Brobbey for some months ago. Um, the GFA tried to get him to play for Ghana, but fortunately, they couldn't make that happen. And the news that are coming up, that Ghana qualify World Cup now, so every day here and there, the news that getting to us that Brobbey want to play for Ghana, and yeah, want to play for Ghana now. And what I'm also getting the reason why he didn't play for or didn't accept to play for Ghana at that time. According to the news, that there are some Ghanaians close to the guy was saying that if he really want to get a good future, he shouldn't try to play for Ghana and all that. And I do not know how true is that, but that is what I get, that the Ghanaians that close to the guy try to convince the guy that they shouldn't try to play for Ghana because they make a lot of example to so many players that try to play for Ghana, and at the end of the day, their career and all that, they make example like a Kevin Prince Boateng, Aaron Lasso Kwanzaa, and Quincy Awusi Biggie, a lot of players. And you know that if he try to miss goals, Ghana will come up to him and all that. That is the reason why he didn't that convinced the guy that time, and he say he didn't accept to play for Ghana. And I don't know what changed now, but that is the news I'm getting from Brobbey that want to play for Ghana now. And it is so sad for if that is the truth about some Ghanaians close to this guy say he shouldn't play for Ghana, and he's going to get a lot of bars if he doesn't score goal or miss a chance. There are some certain things you and I need to understand here. To me, I always believe that, or know, sometimes believe do not have proof, but I will say I know there is no country or no football fan, whether you are like Madrid, Barcelona, it is a national team, Spanish national team, Ghana, Nigeria, any country. I don't think that there is any fan out there want their team to lose or want their player to be missing chances. So it is normal for every country. It is not about only Ghana that maybe will criticize players. Maybe sometime some fans could do it up to some level that maybe it shouldn't be that way. But I don't see any fan out there will say they will be happy with their players when their team are not winning, when their players supposed to do what they're supposed to do and they are not doing it, getting chances and not scoring goals. Asamoah today, what kind of insult Asamoah didn't receive from Ghanaians, including myself that's sitting down here. All of us, we criticize Asamoah. So what message I have for Brobbey for that time not deciding to play for Ghana, I don't know how true is that. Now he want to play for Ghana. The news that I get, I believe strongly that these people cannot get him out to put something that they have no idea. If they just came out for something like this without truth, well, but guys, that is the news that I'm getting from people around Holland that Brobbey now want to play for Ghana. And the like I said, the message that I have for this youngster, if that is the truth that there are some Ghanaians close to him for some time ago that he shouldn't play for Ghana, and if he miss chances as a striker and all that, he's going to get a lot of bars and all that. Then meaning as you yourself personally individual, you do not know yourself and you don't know what you want And yeah, if you know yourself and you believe in yourself, I don't think that sometimes you focus so much about what people will talk. Yes, it is good to take an advice from people sometimes, but not all things. Also, I don't know these people, they have ever played for Ghana. Are they are footballers? What are they and where they live in Holland? They want to tell me that sometimes if they are supporting Ajax or Feyenoord or even Holland national team and they doesn't do well, the same people or even the people around the team will be happy that their team are not performing. They will be happy with the players. Even Lionel Messi is a player that did so much, but sometimes when they miss chance one day, a lot of fans go up to them. Cristiano Ronaldo, the great players, Ronaldinho their time, Zidane their time. Every player, when you miss chance, you don't expect the fans out there to be happy with you. The way when you did well, the same fans will be clapping for you and you are happy. When you don't do well, if they are criticizing you, I think the best way to improve you as a player, you should accept your mistakes and try to ask yourself that what am I going to do to come out to convince these fans. So to me, when I have a chance, I will never sit down somewhere and try to convince a player that, well, don't play for Ghana and Ghana is like this, Ghana criticized. I don't see any country or any football fan out there will say they will be happy when their team don't do well or the players don't do well. So guys, that is the news coming up from um, people that are close to Brobbey want to play for Ghana now, and a lot of people may have a little bit like saying that definitely when something like this come out, like I always say, when something like this come out, a lot of people gonna have their own thought and what they're gonna say about it. But hey, what I always believe is Ghana first. For me being here, what I always believe is Ghana first. If something that I'm gonna do and is not gonna favor my country or even where I'm living and gets only what I will benefit, I don't think I will go for it. So what I always say, like Ghana first, if some player are ready to play for Ghana, I do not really know how true is that. But if this is a really, really true that the news that I'm getting from, to me, I'm very happy. He's a very good player. He's a very, very good player. Something that will Ghana will benefit, something that will improve Ghana Black Stars. Why not? As a Ghanaian, I'm very happy to hear this news, and I'm very, very happy to give you guys this news that Brobbey is certain to play for Ghana. And I don't know if the GFA have this news and they make move. I do not know, but that is what I'm getting from that Brobbey friends that are close to try to leak somewhere that they want to play for Ghana. If that is true, it is a great news, and I'm always happy to see something that uh, Ghana will benefit. We want Ghana to do well, not just about the World Cup, but to win um, what you call to win the African Cup of Nations. So if all these players try to come on board, if you are Ghanaian out there, I will say we shouldn't focus talking about things that passed, like maybe for years back, we tried to get them, we couldn't get these players, and now maybe they decide to play for Ghana. If that is the truth, as a Ghanaian, don't you be happy? Don't you happy to see some players to come on board to make the team attractive to win game, basically even to win World Cup? Because I'm someone that I always believe that in life, everything in this world is governed by the universe. So what you say will always come back. So I'm always believing and have confidence that it is capable for Ghana to win World Cup. Yeah, we can do it. So when we have all these players around, marking every players out there boot to boot, every team they're taking match to match, match to match. Why not teams that win World Cup? Not that they are too great, two special players more than Ghana,